how to manually ungroup vectors when it fails to do so automatically on the XTool Studio software. Now this is a JPEG file. When you click on this, this menu pops up on XTool Studio. What we do is we edit, then there's a trace feature, we save it, and then this I don't need anymore. It's just an image. I'm going to delete it. And when you right mouse click, the ungroup shows up. But in this case, for some reason, it doesn't ungroup. And what you can do is actually hover over this, it's edit compound. When I do that, it selects various groups like this. All I have to do is press down and drag over approximately, and it grabs that. And now you can ungroup and move as you wish. Okay, so basically I have to make the canvas, that part bigger. Otherwise, I'm selecting all sorts of areas that it does not recognize. So as soon as you make your canvas bigger, so you can see it, you can more precisely hover over a certain area to ungroup. I hope you enjoyed that. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of a huge selection of sterling silver and gold-filled engraving blanks and jewelry findings. I'm going to leave more information about our company in the descriptions below.